My career story was very different. I wanted to wear a suit growing up, so I did. I went to school. But I always had a passion for like power drills and tools and tearing apart my VCR. I ended up making a transition over to this when ROQ started hiring technicians. Hi, my name is Gerry Ibarra. I'm an industrial machinery technician with ROQ. We're here today to actually fix a screen printing machine. So you guys can follow me around, see what we'll do today. My day starts at 9. You know, the inspection of course starts, whether it's a service call or an install. Inspection to make sure that the equipment arrived fine without any damage, and make sure that I have all the parts, all the hardware that I need for the equipment. When it's a repair, inspect it prior to repair to see what is the problem with it. And, you know, put in anywhere between 8 to 10 hours a day and then go to the hotel and sleep. The ROQ is a screen printing machine. We use it to actually print on t-shirts. It's got 8 pallets, 8 stations you can load up. It's got 6 stations for 6 different colors that you can print, so a 6-color design. I'm working on this machine because their pallet arms aren't coming off as easy as they were before. So we have a clamping system that'll clamp in here. This will jam up and not release as easily. So let's get some tools to get that going. The biggest challenge in what I do, I think it's time. That would be the biggest challenge, is having enough time to get them back up and going and keeping the customer happy. I like the fact that I get to just show up and I know my assignment, I know what I have to do, and it's fixable. It's not a promise or a quota. You know, I know what the machine has, I can fix it, and I can go home and not take this issue with me when I leave. Your print arm is fixed.